In 2015, we saw about a 17% increase in our visitation. And we realized that we had a problem that we had to deal with and we needed to deal with quickly. We had to start to understand the visitor travel patterns that were coming into Yellowstone National Park. How are people moving through the park? Do we have a vehicle problem or a people problem or an operational problem? Transportation in Yellowstone National Park is about getting people from one place to another. It is about dealing with the congestion that we have in the park in the areas like Canyon and Old Faithful, but it's also about the experience and to make sure that we provide the kind of experience that people want and expect when they come to Yellowstone National Park.